Okay, so this is Brianna's blush wine, okay? This is a vinaigrette, and you guys, I gotta tell you, when you get this bottle, it's gonna be separated. What you gotta do is shake it really hard, okay? This is gonna be your new favorite summer salad, okay? It's a strawberry salad. We're gonna go ahead and wash our spinach here. We're gonna spin it to dry it off. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the plate. We're gonna slice our strawberries up. We're gonna put those on top of the spinach, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the blue cheese. Now just go ahead and sprinkle that right on top as much as you like. And then we're going to go ahead and give the Brianna's salad dressing, the blush wine vinaigrette, a good shake, okay? You want it to be solid pink and a gorgeous color. And you are just going to lightly pour this over your salad. I promise you this is going to be the best tasting strawberry salad you have all summer. I've had one every day so far. I absolutely love it. If you can tell me that this doesn't look absolutely delicious, then okay. But I promise you're going to love it.